Hey Gearheads, welcome back to BZB TV. This is Nate back here from the support team bringing you another video, and today we're excited to talk about our brand new AV over IP, the BG-IPGEAR-ULTRA. This is 4K at 60 in and out, and it is exciting to use. Today we're going to be doing a little demonstration, just a little overview about the AV over IP. First of all, you need the control box to control everything, and then you can add as many transceivers as you want as long as your network supports it. Transceiver is a transmitter and receiver in one. So each box is a transmitter where you can add your sources, or a receiver where you can connect it to your outputs. Everything is ran through your network, so you go as far as the cable can allow. Usually it's about 330 feet. All these transceivers are PoE, so it'll be powered over by the switch. What's also great about this unit, it's not just a matrix, but also it is a video wall and multi-viewer, but also it's seamless switching through the matrix. So very exciting. Today we're going to be doing a little demonstration, just an overview of what this unit can do. First, let's go over our setup. As you can see, we have everything connected. We have 5 sources to 5 displays. As you can see, we have everything in just our little mini rack here. Obviously, this is a scaled down version. You can use this system in a much larger enterprise network, maybe a hospital, arenas, anywhere you have displays that you got to reach to at a far end. You're looking to matrix or multiple video walls. It could do it all. So as you can see, everything is up and running, got nice color. So if you're in a dark room, you can see everything very nicely. You can also hit the power button there, and it'll show the current IP, the name, the custom name of your source or display on there. So if you went into the web and change your source, it'll display right here. All the units right now are powered by the Netgear AV line 10-port switches, who is a partner of ours. So Netgear, this is a great switch for AV over IP. The AV line has great profiles that makes it very easy for switching, handling the bandwidth, and so forth. So let's go ahead and dive into the web. I already put this on the network, but I could show you how easy it is just to matrix, create a video wall, do some multi-view, and the seamless switching. So let's dive in. All right, as you can see, we are logged into our front page here. It's on our network. So I'm gonna go ahead and put our password in. Actually, by default, it asks you to change it, so I changed my password. So you typically it's admin, then it'll prompt you to change it to a more custom password. So as you can see, here is right away, you got your device list. So first time you're setting it up, it'll ask you to scan your network for transceivers. So it automatically did that. And everything's, as long as everything's connected to the same network, plugged into the same switch or same network, it'll scan, it'll find the transceivers on your network, and it did that. So as you can see, I already went through and labeled my encoders. You know, I have a Blu-ray, Comcast, a like food player, BZB media, and a YouTube, and then decoders or receivers. I went and labeled the TVs. You could just do that easily on this drop down on the corner here if you want to check the settings. What's great is each transmitter or receiver shows you what the source is. It has a little screenshot, which I love, so it's a lot really easy to label what's what instead of trying to figure out which one's connected to where, what source is connected to where. That makes it really easy to label in the interface. So let's go down to matrix. Here we go. So this is where the fun begins. As you can see, we have our encoders, just a little small video of each coder playing, and then our receivers. So you can literally just drag and drop, and it's seamless switching. So I'm just going to go ahead and drop, drag, drop, drag, drop. Just kind of different TVs, different sources. Do this one right there. Boom. So really easy. Just makes it really simple for if you're looking to switch your sources on different TVs. Also, there's a all decoder. So if you're looking to put, let's say you want the same thing on all your decoders, let's put our Chromecast on all of them, and then kind of goes to each one, and boom. So if you're in a hotel or hospital or anywhere you have multiple screens, you can just drag and drop right there, and it'll put it on all of them. So dive into the next one, a video wall. So let's go ahead and create a video wall for those first top 4 TVs there. It's really easy. Go to video wall list. I'm going to go create. We're going to create a 2x2. We'll call this 2x2 just for simplicity. Resolution 4K at 60. I'm going to hit go. and boom, there you go. And then I get to select which part of the video wall for each TV is going to go to. So that's going to be TV1, TV2, TV3. I went through and labeled all my outputs, just really easy, makes it really easy. TV4, apply. So it's gonna turn blue, that's normal. And then all I have to do is just throw a source on it. So I'm gonna go to video wall source, and you can see all our sources here. Let's go ahead and, oh boom, our one's up already. I'm gonna go ahead and put our media player, so you can just drag and drop any of them that you want. Got some alcohol there, our Chromecast, and boom, really easy to do. All right, moving on to multi-view. So I'm gonna lay that video wall up, but I'm gonna create a multi-view on that last TV. It's just to show video wall and multi-view at the same time. So I'm gonna go create up here on our video wall list, and we're gonna call this just MV for multi-view. We're gonna make it a 1x1 because it's just one TV. Hit go. And boom, and then I'll make this TV5. I'm gonna hit apply because that's the only TV that's left is TV number 5, and there you go. So now just select your video multi-view. There's a lot of options here. I'm gonna go video wall canvases and select layout type. So as you can see, I could apply any of these multi-view layouts pre-configured. You can also customize them if you want, just drag and drop, stretch. But for today's demonstration, I'm just going to do one. Let's do, how about we do, this is 6 sources here. I'm going to do this one. Even though we have 5, I'm just going to show you that we can do up to 6 and many more. Not just up to 6. So we have our layout here. Now we just got to put the sources on. So let's make our BZB the big one. And then you kind of just drag and drop the rest of the sources on all the displays there. And we'll just do one more BZB. There you go. And so as you can see, multi-view down there and video wall up there. So very simple. You can do everything in the face and you're good to go. So as you can see, it's pretty straightforward on the rest of the tabs here. Controller settings, you get your network settings, everything that for your displays, all the information that you'll need. You get your firmware update, you can change your username, password, and all the fun stuff. So everything's right here, very easy to use, and you're good to go. Well, there you have it, gearheads, the BG-IPGEAR-ULTRA, a great unit for AV over IP. We got you covered, multi-view, matrix, video wall, all in one, seamless switching. Like I mentioned, this is just a quick overview. There's going to be a lot more videos on in-depth on how to network, how to set up the video wall, how to set up the multi-view, how to set up all at once. So stay tuned for that. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe to videos like these so you'll be notified when more videos like these come out. If you have any questions, comments, leave them in the comments below. Love to hear from you. And if you have any issues or any technical questions, hit up support. Or if you want to talk to our sales associates, how this would be a great fit for your environment, hit up them as well. As always, have a great day.